Alright, halfway house. We got this fine automobile. I think I tried to do a video when I came and looked at this thing, but my phone broke shortly after. I never got a chance to upload it. So here she is, 1973 Jeep Commando. Pretty cool. You never see these anymore. I believe it's a 304 V8. Pretty cool. And I think it's a 4-speed or a 3-speed. Hell yeah. It looks super crusty, but it was on my buddy's deer lease for shit, who knows how long. But it's been sitting for years. Not that long, but pretty long, as you can tell. So he basically just wants this thing running and driving enough to get onto a trailer. I'm going to drain this old fuel out. I'm going to drain this old oil out. I did check the cap and rotor last time. They look pretty good. I do have plugs and plug wires. The carb is pretty crusty, but I'm hoping I can at least get it running and then see if it needs to be rebuilt. But like I said, it just needs to drive onto a trailer. The belts look okay. What else? That's about it. So I'm going to get to it. Alright, still got the Merle Haggard plan. Got a 10W30. I always use wicks if I can. Nothing but the best. And spark plug wires. I always use auto lights. I kind of always have, and just kind of always stuck with them. Never really had any issues with them. So I always carry this primer bulb, like for marine stuff. Also got an electric pump in here if we need to suck this out. I don't know if that has a drain yet on the fuel tank. Nothing but the finest in stock at Halfway House. Some vintage period correct fuel hose. You don't need this metric shit. And then I got 6 gallons of fresh fuel, or 5.5 or whatever these are. So let's get to it. Well, no drain on this fuel tank, and I'm gonna have to finagle this thing off of here. Oh, getting creative here with the little filter tool. There we go. Got her. Check that out. Custom skid plate oil pan. Look at that. Nice. Never seen that before. Let's see how much fuel and water we got in this oil. Well, she's pretty black. And it definitely smells like old gas. So good thing we're draining this shit. Yeah, it's pretty yellow. You see in there? Not terrible. Let's pump it into a water bottle. Alright, I lied. That is disgusting. Doesn't have any sediment in it though. It's just ancient. Nothing but the best here at the Halfway House. You know, you got your Chinese fuel pump, and she's moving about, I don't know, a gallon per week, so it might take a while. Let's get the other stuff under the hood. Alright, when she starts making noise, you're usually about done. I can't get her to grab anything else, so guess we're done. I think our drain plug clogged the drain. Kind of felt around in there in a pick. Let's see if we can get her to drain down now. Well, landscaping crew pulled up, and they're blowing leaves all over the damn place. So I'm going to come in here and drink me a nice Lone Star Light, and then we'll continue. That oil's still not draining out of that drain. That's brand new. This is the first time I've used that particular oil drain pan. I even took the, I don't know if you can see, I took my drill and drilled a couple holes in it, and it still doesn't appear to be draining. If it is, it's going super slow. So give these dudes a few minutes to clear this corner, and then we'll jump back on her. I don't know how well you can see that, but it looks like this thing was never drilled right there. I guess I should have checked. I don't know how well you can see that, but it looks like she took some threads with her. Hopefully we can get this back in, or my day might be over. That thing looks ancient. Maybe have a date here. I'm gonna kind of do some digging, but pretty sure that's just where my tool was on it. Had to use the claw on this bad boy. Apparently don't have a regular filter wrench big enough for this thing. It's also in a super awkward spot above the differential and facing backwards. So I don't know what they were thinking there. Alright, let's confirm that we have the wrong part before we go any further. Looks like these dudes are about done, so yeah, looks like she might work. Alright, landscapers are gone. Got the Bosch plugs pulled out, and I've always heard that Bosch makes the worst spark plug on earth. They look, you know, they're moist. Like maybe somebody's tried to start this thing. They smell like old fuel. A few, I don't know how well you can see that. A few, you know, a little more black than others. I don't know if we got brakes, but we got fluid. So I think we're getting close to firing it up. I think it's only about 3 o'clock. I was trying to get out of here before dark, so I think we're way ahead of the game, even with the delay from the landscapers. But let's keep swinging and banging. In case something caught on fire, I want to do. Uh-oh. I was like, no. Spark usually got something somewhere. Alright, let's see what we got here. I did put a little bit of fuel in there. I was like, I better make sure this thing turns over first. I did chock the wheels. I did make sure we were in neutral. Let's see, is this a, I can't tell if it's 3-speed or 4-speed. It might, I'm sure it's a 4-speed by 73. Actually, there ain't no telling. Oh, oil light. Anything else? All right, here we go. Oh my goodness, she turns over. All right, we are pumping fuel already, so I'm gonna go ahead and obviously that's a new filter, but I wanted to put the clear one on there instead of the metal one so I could see if it was pumping, and it is pumping. So I'm gonna disconnect that and run it to probably a water bottle, probably a beer can actually, and put a couple gallons of fuel in there, see if we get her to go. All right, catch can rigged up, Merle Haggard plan, accelerator pump's moving, gave her a good squirt. Let's cross our fingers. So far I haven't heard anything fire off, but turn it over nice and smooth, but it doesn't sound like we have spark. So let me do some digging. All right, I cheated. I couldn't get it to go, so I got my starter button out, make life a little bit easier. Got the power probe out. Do have positive to the coil and a couple squirts of starting fluid. I still couldn't get it to start. And then I kind of doused it in starting fluid, and then it fired up and actually ran pretty smooth. So it's still pumping some nasty ass gas. I put about 3 gallons in the tank, so I'm gonna fill that thing up a couple times, try to run it off the bottle, and hopefully it'll start pumping some clean fuel, and then I'll hook the fuel filter back up. So I guess let's try to do this. I'm not a lefty, not very good at making videos, pretty healthy amount. I did get all the mud daubers off the fan because I have been smacked in the face with that shit before, so let's see if we can get her to go. Oh my goodness, and she's pumping fuel. Actually, it's looking better. Alright, I dumped my catch can. I did top off the fuel bowls. I did put the rest of that 6 gallons in the tank. Let's see if we can get her to run off the key. Oh! Come on, baby. We're running off the carburetor. Oh, pumping fuel, making a mess. I got something whining. Let me shut this off before I make a mess. Oh yeah, that fuel looks much better. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hook the fuel filter back up. I think I do have another fuel filter in case we need one, but let's see how it goes. See if we can get her to run off the tank now. Hell yeah. Okay, I didn't expect that. It fired right up, first bump of the key. Maybe a water pump howling. Maybe I should make sure this thing's got some coolant in it. Go on here, make sure she's not leaking oil. Yeah, that's where the oil filter is. What a pain. I mean, actually, it's not that bad. This thing's just so low, and I'm in the grass with the goddamn rattlesnakes. So I don't know. I think let this thing idle some more and get all my crap off here and get my wheel chock. See if I can drive this thing around. Luckily, they got a circle driveway, so maybe we can drive this thing on a trailer pretty soon. Oh, so many leaves in my eyes. Oh, we killed her. All right, I don't know how well this is gonna work. See if I can get the windows to go down. Oh, okay, no luck there. Like I said, it's February and it's 87 degrees. Oh, we got a vent window at least. Ah, yeah. All right. Got something. Oh, killed her. Didn't even get her in gear yet. I think this thing might be a 3-speed actually. Best I can tell. This thing's got an erratic idle. I think it's got a vacuum leak. I think that's what that high-pitched noise is. Let's see. Yeah, this is a 3-speed. See if I can find a reverse here. Well, there's something. Oh, that's reverse there. Oh, shit. I can't see shit. We might have to do this carburetor before we can actually get her on a trailer safely, but my crooked ass hat. Let's try it one more time. We're moving. Okay. Well, we moved a little bit and she died. It is hotter than shit in here. I wish I could get this window down. I can't get either window down. Let's try one more time. If not, I don't really see any point in flogging her anymore. Let's pull that carb and I mean, it's pretty crusty. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but let's try one more time. 2-pump chump here. Fires right up. It idles great. I don't know if you can hear it. It's got accelerator pump. Oh my goodness. No power steering. That's nice. Come on, baby. Well, got her moved a little bit. Alright, we're moving. Off the clutch. We're running. I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah. She's a granny. Do have a little bit of brakes. Oh no, now it's going to the floor. Okay, second pump it doesn't. Try one more time. Well, we're gonna do it until we get it. Trying not to ride this clutch. So I'm just throwing it in first to get her moving and then letting her out. Because this thing isn't as geared as low as you would think. Come on, baby, keep running. There we go. Oh shit. Oh dear. Let me get her out of the driveway here. Oh damn it, didn't make it over the curb. One more time. There we go. Oh dear. Alright, again, I'm sweating my balls off. I ain't got no open windows except one vent window. And we're about I don't know, 10 feet from its final resting place. So if I can get her over this curb, I'm gonna call it a day. And definitely need some carb work. Oh yeah, it's actually getting better. That clutch is probably pretty crusty too. Let me make sure we're out of the driveway. Let's go one more bumper. Oh, I'm dripping with sweat. It's fucking February. I'm going swimming. Alright, anyway, I got her running. If there's a part 2, I'll make a video or try to. I don't know, it's 3 or 4 o'clock I would guess, and I think it's supposed to be 87, 89 degrees today here in I'm in New Braunfels, Texas right now, but check that shit out, man. That's sweaty. Alright, anyway, that's the Jeep. She does run. She will live again, so we'll see what the customer wants to do and make another video if we need to. She's alive. See y'all.